Hi guys, myself Abhishek. I will tell you non-MVC and MVC application first of all. Then after that we will go to Spring MVC. First of all, you need to know non-MVC application. Non-MVC application means when you click on your browser button, anything, any page, that when you go to your first of all checking your servlet and JSP pages, which servlet page, which JSP page, and that servlet page and JSP page return the result directly. Means inside web server only you can load your servlet pages, otherwise JSP pages in non-MVC application. In non-MVC application, everything, your business logic, your validation logic, your integration logic, your session management logic, your middleware service, everything will be written in one place. Your HTML pages, your JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, everything written in one pages. These are called non-MVC application. Servlet means purely Java code. Inside your Java code, you can write your HTML code, JavaScript code, jQuery code. These are things. JSP means this is tag based your application, tag based page, where you can write your HTML code, and inside the HTML code you write the Java code. Okay, there is a number of limitation in non-MVC application. Just like first of all, everything written in one place, your HTML code, your Java code, validation logic, integration logic. First limitation, you can't write, everything is separate. Second thing, maintenance is very difficult because everything is in one place, so if maintaining is too difficult. Debugging means testing is also difficult because everything written in one place, your validation logic, this is a very huge amount of data in one place, so this is also difficult. Parallel processing is not possible because everything is written, you need to write in one page, so other person means other developer can't write code one time only one developer we need. There have some advantage also. First advantage, if you have only servlet and JSP knowledge, you can develop your application. Second advantage, parallel processing is not possible, so there is no need to multiple developer, only one developer we can develop your application. Now I will tell you MVC application. What is MVC? First of all, you need to know MVC. MVC means model, view, controller. Everything is separate page. When you click on your browser, this one is talking to controller. Controller will be decide which business logic we need to call. After that, that business logic will be executed and returning the model layer result to result controller. Controller will be again decided which we need to display. We will return the view name, this you need to display, and returning the result inside your browser. I will tell you what is controller, what is view, what is model. Very simply language, view means what are things written in HTML, JSP, JavaScript, jQuery. These all things is under view layer. What are things in display inside your browser window? These all things is under your view layer. Okay guys. Second, controller. What is controller? Controller is your request and response, everything goes under controller. Okay, means your entry point and exit point is controller. Form validation logic, integration logic, session management logic, data gathering logic, all things is written in your controller side, inside the controller. Okay guys, now I will tell you model layer. Model layer, we need to write the business logic. What are the business logic means? What are the things you need to perform? Suppose multiplication, addition, storing the data in database, middleware services. These are things you need to write inside your model layer. This is called model view controller. Okay, means what are the things? Dot class file means your Java classes file where you can write data storing, data that communication with database, all types of logic written in model layer. Business logic, anything modification, anything updation, any types of mathematical operation you need to perform inside your model layer. HTML layer means what are the things you need to display inside browser, all things written in view layer means HTML code, JSP code, velocity code. These are code written in your view layer. Controller, controlling what are the requests coming by your browser. Just like here, your browser will be sending any request, controller will take care. After that, any types of result will be going means response take care by our controller. Here this is a request, this is a response, everything controlling by the controller. View layer only where your all view set is stored. This is called the view layer. Okay guys, view layer will be decide which view will be displayed after getting the request from controller. This one is not doing itself. Also model layer will be nothing to do itself. Controller will be set, you need to do this work, then after model layer will be do. Okay guys, this is a model view controller application. Now I will tell you Spring MVC, but not today, tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.